Okay, this video is just gonna be me, mainly just teaching you how to tutor. I'm tutoring with you in math, and if you have the Rise and Shine 5th grade math workbook, that would help everyone. Okay, so today we are going to be flipping to the page 31, and numbers and ops, and this video is gonna really this video is gonna cover at least a lot of problems. Okay, let's see here. The problem is Javier needed to buy 5 tomatoes. Each tomatoes cost 78 cents. How much will Javier have to pay for the tomatoes? So let's see. So first, take notes. We're going to be teaching this. Make sure you take notes too. Okay. First, let me get my sheets of paper. Sorry about that. Anyways, so Javier, 5 tomatoes. So first we put 0.78. So make sure you have at least a blank sheet of paper out and a pen, because this is important. And then we do it times 5, and then 5 times 8. And then we do our multiplication as usual. 5 times 8, 40. 5 times 7, 35. Plus 4, 39. And then we get 390. Now see, we have that decimal point still. So that decimal point goes right where it was. So we had 0.78. So that point below is between the 7 and 8. So we get $3.90. There we go. We got one problem done. And here's how I did my math. Okay. Just to show you what it looks like. And that's how it should look. Okay. So, next we are going to do, so I'll just fill that out in the sheet. Your book that you have looks like this as of 2011. So, it could have changed the cover and everything, but it's from Rise and Shine, Mathematics, grade 5. Okay, so let's go back. This next problem's on page 32. You should see a number line, and the problem is match each of the numbers shown below to the letter, making it corresponding point on the above number line. So, what we have to do is we have to figure out what the fractions are. So, it takes a lot of sight judging, but I think we can pull it off. Of course, I'm not going to bore you guys with all these number lines. So, I guess I'll just fast forward this part mainly after I teach you this. So, okay. So how we do this is we have to see. So where do you think 4 2/5 would go? So we're going up to 8. Oh, that's helpful. Okay, so there's 8, 0, and 10. Okay, so now that helps. So 4 2/5 would usually be where C is. So go ahead and put C in your workbook. 2 2/5 and a quarter would go where A is. And 7, I think you can figure that out, that it goes where G is. No, it would go where F is. Sorry, don't put that in your workbook. Hopefully you're not writing in pen. And 5 would go where D is. No, wait, let me see. Yes, it would go where D is. Wait, should I? Yes, D. And then 8 and 3/10 would go G. 3 and 0.71 would go where C is, and then B for the last 195. Okay. Now, while I fill out these problems, please enjoy this song. You should know how to do these, by the way. Oh, so I found it. Oh, sorry about that. Anyways,
Can't find one.
I just wanted to show you this. It's so cool.
Is there an eraser in here? I'm looking for an eraser.
An eraser?
Rocky,
Goofing off. Get out of there. See, look it. Rudy jumps up. He thinks he's gonna come out swinging. Get out of here.
I'm looking for an eraser.
There's one right here. Don't start crying. Don't start crying.
Hopefully I fast forwarded that out. But if I did. Anyways, so next problem 204. Turn your pages. How much time am I doing? 5 minutes. Hopefully YouTube can handle this. Okay. So, explain what you did where you place 1/2 and 1 and 1/2. So, you should put 1 and 1/2 where there's 1 and it's right in the middle. So, the reason why you put it there, why do you put it there? That's what you have to ask yourself. Why is it right there? Why? And then you fill that out. Okay. So, I'm gonna explain why I put it there, because you guys should figure that out, and I don't need to tell you all the answers, because mainly I'm cheating. I'm telling you all the answers. supposed to tell you how to give you the answer. Okay, so I am gonna I'm gonna keep on going until numbers and ops is done. So you guys out there, I'm doing my math workbook too. I'm just explaining how to do it. So you should by now have figured out the answer. I'm gonna fast forward this. Okay, I got my answer in. This next problems and all of the number line problems you should be able to figure out. Oh. Let me fill this out real quick. I am gonna fast forward this out. So a lot of fast forwarding is gonna go on. So really, I'll just go. Sorry if I creeped you out, but no, I'm not evil. It's just a camera. Okay, that's enough. I look creepy. Excuse me. My blue eyes shine in the camera. Should have did this earlier. Okay, we're done. Dang it. I'm out of time. Okay, well, see you next time on Not.